So, welcome once again. This is where you talk about the Facebook ad creative you will be using, the kind of creative you will use to set up your ads. Now, what makes an effective ad is an effective Facebook ad captures attention, communicates values, and drives action. The best ads combine strong visuals, compelling copy, and strategic targeting to create a seamless user. This grabs attention within the first 3 seconds. Remember, I think I said something about that. So it communicates a clear value proposition, a strong and visible call to action, and you match the ad format to the audience and objective. You test multiple variations to find the best ads that is performing. Now, the ad hooks. This kind of hook do you use to hook your audience? You can use ad hooks are the opening lines and visual that stop the scroll and captures your viewers' attention. A strong hook is the difference between a ad that performs and one that gets ignored. If you are using ads, I see so many people posting on their WhatsApp status that will be saying, buy this. I've not eaten it since yesterday. People will not buy from you like that. But if you post something like, if you have been losing money on real estate, if you and your landlord used to fight about house rent, read this. That one will get your attention. That's the example of a 3 second rule. You must use a rule that, as in something that stop them, that grab their attention. So you use curiosity, you use urgency, and a bold statement to hook the audience. Then you have to resonate with the pain point. Ask a question that resonates with your target. Let me show you an example. Now, look at this ad campaign, for example. What do you notice? This one will grab people attention. He said, why people see your business but don't buy? Does it start with this is the reason buy this book now? It starts with the reason why people see your business but don't buy. Seven customer attraction secrets small business owners use to turn attention into consistency. Secret 6 week. This is the kind of attention scrolling headlines you should use. Another one is this. 7 AI video he said exposed 7 AI video mistake quietly costing small business customers and sales. Number 5 will shock you. This is another one, and this is another one. So this is the kind of attention scrolling headlines you can use for your ads. Sorry. So ensure your ad hooks align with landing pages. Always ensure the ad hooks align with the landing pages, and ensure everything aligns from start to finish. Now, the hard copies. The hard copy is the written text that accompanies your ad. It must be concise, persuasive, and aligned with your campaign objective to drive the desired. You have to keep, when you do your research for your audience. So now, the next thing to do is that you've already seen the problem and what they are facing. You now tell your AI that you should use this report and to write a hard copy using the copywriting framework. You can use the PAS, using problem, agitation, and solution framework. You can use the AID, which is the attention, interest, desire, and action framework, so that it will give them your attention, it will arouse their interest, they will have desire, and they will be interested in buying. So you understand? So you have to keep the copy focused on the audience needs and desires. So speak directly to the reader using you and your. So always highlight benefits over futures to drive actions. Don't be telling us about your futures or your products. Tell them about the benefits they will get from your products. So always use your proof, testimonials, or statistics when possible. Now the headlines is one of the most visible elements of your ad. It appears below the image and video and should mainly communicate the core message or offer. You have to keep headlines short, clear, and action oriented. Use numbers and specific claims to increase credibility. You can use the two ones I show you now. It use numbers. It use numbers and specific claims. As you can see, you have to create urgency with your offers, and you match the headline tone to your brand voice. Test multiple headlines to identify the top performers. So you get test different headlines to know which one is performing best. Now the primary test. Primary text is the main body of your ad that appears above the image or video. It provides context, builds interest, and guide the reader towards the call to action. So this lead with impact, stand with the strongest benefits or the most compelling point to grab attention immediately when you are writing your primary text, which is the hard copy. So use short paragraph and line breaks to make the text easy to scan on mobile device. You see, when you are trying to sell to your readers, there will always be objections. Ensure you answer all the objections inside the hard copy. So by the time they come to your DM to up to your website, they will be coming fully prepared. Shey you get? They will be calling fully prepared. And for someone to land on your DM on your WhatsApp, that person has made 60% buying decision. Remember that. So let's continue. The images you should use are static images are powerful art format that can quickly communicate your message when designed correctly. So keep text on images minimal. No more than 20% text overlay. Include faces showing emotion to increase relatability and trust. Ensure the image clearly represents the product or service. Use contrasting colors to make the art stand out in the image. This is the kind of things you can use for your images. Now, regarding the videos, video ads are among the best engaging formats on Facebook, offering the opportunity to tell a story and demonstrate value in a dynamic way. So you can capture attention within the first 30 seconds with a strong visual or hook. You can keep audios between 15 to 60 seconds for optimal performance. You add captions. 80% of Facebook videos are watched without sounds. You can see that 85% of Facebook videos are watched without sound. You don't even have any sound. You just be watching it with captions. So include a clear call to action at the end of the video. Use a mix of horizontal and vertical formats for different placements. We should still show you that one. Reels ads, that means you want to be showing your ads inside the reels, which means short form vertical video ads designed for mobile. You want to be showing reels. I don't usually use reels. So carousel ads are the kind of ads that show. I don't think I have said. Let me see if I can show you. Let me see if I can show you an example of a car. So the carousel ad I have on my phone is deleted. I would have shown you how carousel ads is, but you can make more research. But the one I would recommend for you is videos. As you can see, the video had already said it that 85% of Facebook videos are watched, and it's one of the most engaging formats on Facebook. So let's go. The call to action you can use is a button or instruction that tells the user what to do next after watching your ads. After viewing everything you said, what should they do next? What action do you want them to perform? So you can use action-oriented language like shop now, learn more, sign up, download now, buy now. There's a lot you can use. So ensure you match the CTA to the campaign objective and audience intent. Test different CTA variations to optimize conversion rate. Ensure the CTA leads to a seamless and relevant landing experience. Now, this is the most important one. When you are doing your advertisement, remember what usually gets your attention mostly on Facebook is storytelling. When someone shares a story. So anytime you are running your ads, always use storytelling. Storytelling transforms ads from simple promotion into memorable experience. Imagine someone telling you that when you first started, you put yourself in that situation that I was in this person's shoe. I was also broke. I was not making money then. I'm trying a lot of things. I'm doing forex to affiliate marketing. You know that kind of scenario. You put yourself in that person's shoe. Now that person now told you that this is what he did. He tested this, he did this, he did that. At the end of the day, what do you think will happen? You'll be engaged. You'll be moved. Like me, when I was starting, in January, I made just 46,000 naira online. So I tried different things. I learned about Facebook ads and lots more. By February, my monthly money went from 46,000 to over 300k. In March, over 300k, and in April, I made over 400k online. Now that kind of story like that, it will hook you and it will get you. So use that kind of story also in your advertisement. Ensure your ad has a clear beginning, middle, and end to guide the person reading it. So focus on transformation. I like the customer transformation or journey rather than just telling story. Use real stories or real customer experience. Look at your customer. When he came, he was doubting you, and at the end of the day, what later happened? Tell them the story. Create emotional connection. Utilize the relatable scenarios and emotions to resonate with your audience. Now, creating different ad angles. This is where you create multiple ad angles. I think we talked about this one before. So creating multiple ad angles ensures you reach your audience from different perspectives, increasing the chances of resonating with diverse segments of your target market. So you can test your ad by using ads like problem aware, angles that address specific pain points the audience is looking for. You can use solution aware, you can use social proof, you can use your testimonies to see if they will buy or they will not buy. You can use urgency, you can use a limited time offers, scarcity language or exclusive deals. You can use emotional angles, angles that connect with the audience feelings and aspirations. You can use data driven, which is angle that use statistics and facts to persuade logical thinkers. So thank you and God bless you. See you in the next class.